Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Here in this video I am going to talk about the Légall Trap. This is a very old trap, goes back to 18th century, and this is a very famous and favorite trap for most of the chess players. Here let's go to the trap. Here white start with the game e4 and black plays e5. Now knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, normal developing moves. Here instead of bishop c5, this is the correct move. Black plays slightly new d6. Here white plays knight c3. Now bishop g4. Here white plays h3. Here the correct move is bishop cut f3, but here black plays a very bad move, bishop h5. Now white plays knight e5, sacrificing his queen. Here if black capture the queen, now it's mate in 2. Here black first capture the pawn on f7, bishop cut f7 check. Now king can only move to e7, king e7. Now it's mate in 1, knight d5, checkmate. So this is a very beautiful checkmate, involves 3 minor pieces. Okay friends, this is all for today. Let's meet you again with another video like this. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the future notification. Have a nice day.